This 5-minute solution will show you how to deactivate a Facebook page temporarily. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, make sure to switch to the Facebook page you want to deactivate. Once you are in your Facebook page, tap on Menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Here scroll down. You have to tap on Page Settings and scroll down. Under Facebook page information section, tap on Access and Control. Now tap on Deactivation and Deletion. And to deactivate your Facebook page, select Deactivate Page and tap on Continue. And now, to confirm, here you have to enter your Facebook account password and tap on Continue. And now to deactivate a Facebook page temporarily, here you have to select This is temporary, I'll be back, and tap on Continue. And automatically reactivate my account in. Tap here and you can select option, but I'm going to selecting Don't reactivate automatically. Tapping on Continue. And now tap on Continue. Tap on Deactivate Page. And that's it. Now I'm going to my menu again, tapping on See More, Pages, and as you can see, the page has been successfully deactivated. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.